Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bukomi. In this video we're talking about a very great work from home opportunity that you can do if you live in the US or the UK or in Canada. Now this is a work from home opportunity, so you get to work from the comfort of your home. Okay, so if that's what you're looking for, make sure you stay till the end of this video because this video is going to be packed as usual. So let's get right into it. The opportunity is going to be a call center agent. So you're going to be working as a call center agent. Now you're going to be working using this platform called Arise. I'm sure some people might have heard of Arise. So Arise is like the main platform that allows you service clients. So you have clients who use Arise as clients, okay, and you as a call center agent, you register as a business or register as an agent. I'll get right into that in a bit. You register with Arise to service the clients. So the client needs you to service their customers as a call center agent, so you're able to talk to them on behalf of that company as their customer service agent, if you understand what I'm saying. So basically that's what this opportunity is about, and I know that a lot of us could do with that extra side income while you're building your business on the side. This could be something you want to take a look at and get started with. So this is the Arise workfromhome.co.uk. This is the UK website. If you live in the US, this would be the website you should be going to. So I'm going to click on this one. This is the US website, that's arise.com. and if you live in Canada, this is the one you should be looking at. That would be this link up here. Okay, so you want to go through the website and see what that has for you, but I'm going to stay on the UK website because I'm in the UK. Okay, so there are a few things I want to point out to you here if you're looking to get into this. So you can register as an agent or register as a business. Now to register as an agent, you need to come here and just click on how to register as an agent. You'll see all the information you need here. As an agent, you can't just register, you can't service a client on the Arise platform without registering with a business. Okay, so they're two different things. Let me explain the agents first. So if you read through this, you would understand. You would see a list of companies here that are registered with the Arise. So these are UK partners. So these are called IBOs. They're called independent business operators. They have to be businesses that are already registered in the UK, that are registered with Arise platform, whether they're servicing or not, but they're registered as partners on the Arise platform. So you as an agent, you have to be registered with one of those companies. I'm sure there are more companies on this list because there are some I know that I can't find on this list, but if you can identify an IBO, that's the business, the partners, you need to register with them, or you can click this link and just contact any of those ones on the list to register with them as an agent. That's if you do not have a registered business in the UK. Okay, now to register as a partner with the Arise platform as a business, you have to be registered in the UK as a business. Okay, so this is it here, how to register your call center company. Let me see. So if you read through here, you would understand what you need to do, but in summary, what you need to do, you need to be registered as a business in the UK. Okay, then come to the Arise platform and register yourself as a partner. Then you can go out and get agents to join your business servicing with Arise. Okay, so that's how that works. Then you as a business, you recruit agents, that's call center agents, who want to work with Arise. Those are going to be agents who don't have businesses registered in the UK, but they're going to join your business as an IBO. Okay, you are the IBO, they will join you and you can then charge them some administrative fees every time they get their payout from the business, from Arise, okay, from Arise servicing clients. So basically that's how that works. If you come on here and read this, I'm sure you would understand it very well. So there are two options. You can come into Arise and register as an agent and go through the list of the companies that are already partnering with Arise and register with them, and you're ready to go. Or if you already have a business in the UK, you can come with to Arise and register yourself here. So you as an entity can service with Arise, can service their clients under your own business, and you can also recruit other people to service under your business, if that makes sense to you. Okay, it's self-explanatory, everything is here. If you have any question, drop it for me in the comment section. I'll be glad to go over it. Now, the other things you need to look at, let's look at equipment. These are equipment that you need to have before you can even service, get registered and service with Arise, irrespective of what clients you're servicing. Okay, so this list has this page has the list of equipment you need. You can download the policy here. To my understanding, I know you need to be hardwired. You need a hardwired internet connection. You need a laptop or a desktop. You need a USB headset. You need a wireless mouse and all of that. But you have all of that information on this page. You need, of course, a desk to work from your home or from wherever it is you're working. Okay, just come here, you can watch the video, it will explain it. Your equipment has to meet a certain standard. This video explains it, and if you read this policy here, you would understand everything well. Okay, so let's check what is the cost to you to use the Arise platform. Now, I know that previously there used to be, because for every client you register to service on the Arise platform, you have to do trainings, okay, to be able to service the client. I know there used to be a fee to pay for trainings, but currently I can only talk for the UK. I don't know for the US and Canada. I know currently there is no fee to pay to register for classes, which is a good thing. Okay, so but there is a cost once you start servicing the client. So once you pass training and you get certified to start servicing the client, there are costs to actually that there's a fee to pay. So but this is the cost page. Let's see what it says here. Okay, so if my mouse is moving so fast today. Okay, so this is for if you want to register as a business in the UK. This is the cost to you. Limited company corporation with company's house. This is how much it will cost. But you don't have to, if you don't want to register as a business. If you just want to register as an agent, this doesn't apply to you. Okay, so your phone line, of course, you would need good internet connection in your apartment or wherever it is you're servicing. That's the cost here. Client certification, this is the one I was talking about. Currently in the UK, it's free right now. I don't know if that will change later, and I don't know what it is in the US or Canada. So yeah, it's free. Then there's this platform usage fee for Arise. You pay £20 every month. So once you get into so after certification, after this course takes like 3 weeks for the ones I've done before, and it might be more depending on the client you're servicing. Okay, you're in certification to service. Okay, and once you start getting paid for the hours you service, Arise will take £20 every month. So you get paid twice every month, and that'll be £10 every payout day. So yeah, so I mean, this is, I'm talking for you, the UK. I'm sure it might be different for the US and Canada, but I mean, this is an opportunity if you're home and you don't have, probably you're looking for something flexible. This might work for you. or you're looking for to gather some money or some funds to start a business, or whatever it is you're looking for funds for income for, this of course this is a good one if it appeals to you. Okay, so what else do I want to show you here? Let's see, certification. Okay, so before your agents can begin servicing a client, he or she must take and successfully complete a client certification. I've said that before. There used to be this fee, ranges between 30 to 50 pounds, but right now it is free and all of that. So just come here and familiarize yourself with everything here so that you know what to expect. Okay, there's a lot here. So servicing clients, just know what to expect when you're servicing, and getting paid. Yeah, this should tell you how payment should go. Just come in here, guys. Let's not dwell on this. This is the website. Come in here and read and get yourself familiarized with it. But I want to go to, if you wanted to register, okay, it would open up the Arise platform for you. So you just put in your email, your username, create an account. When you create an account, I know Arise will still take you through like a mini I think it's, I don't know if it's not a course, it's like a like an onboarding course, mini course kind of, just to know your skills, your how much you can comprehend relating with customers and understanding customers' questions, you know, and to test your temperament. It's just a little test. You need to pass that on the Arise platform before you can be allowed to enroll with a client. Okay, so just come in here. It's nothing difficult. I've done it. I've gone through that before, like multiple times, and I can tell you it's very easy. Okay, so just come in here, register. Okay, if you don't have an account, register and just go through the process and get yourself ready to start servicing clients. So after you have your account and either you're in certification or you're already servicing, this is where you would come in to log in. Okay, so this is what the Arise platform looks like when you already have an account and you already servicing and all of that. So okay, so this is where you find your programs, the ones you currently are servicing with, or if you have more opportunities here. This is what the Arise platform looks like. Now to the question I know most people are wanting to know, and that's payment. How do I get paid, and how much do you get paid, and all of that. So what I'll tell you is, it depends on the client you're servicing. Okay, depends on the client you're servicing, and it depends on the business you're registered with. There are different ways people get paid. First of all, the way it works, Arise would pay your IBO, that's the business you're registered with. They would pay them that would be the number of hours you service. The payment would go to your IBO, that's the business you're registered with, and that business would be the one to pay you. Okay, so they will pay you. So if you're registered as a business with Arise and you also service, so you are a business registered and you're also servicing under your business, Arise would pay your business and you pay yourself. Basically, you pay you and you pay your other agents, your other agents that are registered. And if you don't have a business, if you're just an agent, the payment goes to the business you're registered with, that's the IBO, and the IBO then pays you. Now the payment rate depends on so many factors, because the IBO, it depends on the agreement you have with your IBO. Some IBOs pay exactly what the client pays. That's what Arise pays after taking out the fees. That's the £20 we talked about earlier for the platform usage fee. Okay, the business will tell you what arrangement you have outrightly. So if they're going to take a certain percentage as the administrative fees, you should be in the agreement you have. That should be in the agreement you have with them. Or if they are going to pay you the exact amount that the client pays, that's that Arise pays, and will then take a certain amount out as their own service, that's as their own administrative fees. You will have that in whatever agreement you're signing with them. So basically, I'm not able to tell you how much exactly you get paid because it depends on the client, and it depends on the agreement you have with your business. But from experience, I can tell you that I know for clients in the UK, they pay between £9.90 to £10.90 ish. Now your business can decide to pay you exactly what they pay, and maybe then take a chunk for as their own service fee, as their own administrative fees, or they pay you maybe take out a percentage as their own service fee. So instead of paying you the £10.90 that the client is paying you, maybe they pay you less for every hour you work, and then pay you, and then take what's left on that as their own administrative fees. It depends. So I'm not able to give you a figure, exact figure of how much you should expect to earn, but that's the range that people get paid working with Arise. So that is what I wanted to show you in this video, guys. This is a good work from home opportunity. It's very flexible. You actually can pick your hours. Okay, you can go in there and pick your hours. I'm going to put a screenshot of how picking the hours can look like. I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen so you see what it is. So you actually go pick the hours you are available to service a certain client, and that's it. Whatever hours you have a minimum hour you must service per week, but it's still something very flexible. No contract, no, you're not employed by anybody, you're working for yourself, you're a private contractor, and I mean, it's very flexible. So I wanted to share that with you in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe. Please do subscribe, guys, and turn on the bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video. Thank you guys again for staying with me till the end of another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.